A disturbing news coming in. An Indian Air Force jet has crashed in Madhya Pradesh. It was a fighter aircraft that has crashed in Shivpuri, which is in Madhya Pradesh. According to information coming in, the Indian Air Force pilot flying the aircraft was safe. The crash reason is being investigated, but disturbing visuals because clearly expecting the aircraft caught fire. Thankfully, the fighter is the fight pilot is currently safe, has been evacuated. We'll try and get more details. Ravish Pal Singh is joining me from Bhopal. Ravish, क्या information है शिवपुरी के किस एरिया में, क्या ये रेजिडेंशियल एरिया था, डिटेल्स दीजिए, और फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट था?
जी बिल्कुल पूजा, ये एक फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट था। मिराज 2000 इसका मेक बताया गया है और जो शुरुआती जानकारी मिल रही है उसके मुताबिक ग्वालियर एयरफोर्स बेस से इसने ट्रेनिंग, ये जो टेस्ट उड़ान है ये भरी थी। और ग्वालियर से करेरा की दूरी बहुत ज्यादा नहीं अगर देखा जाए, अगर हम एरियल डिस्टेंस की बात करते हैं तो माना जा रहा है कि ग्वालियर से उड़ान भरने के बाद ये जो फाइटर जेट है ये करेरा के जिस गांव में एक्चुअली ये क्रैश हुआ है, ये बहुत एक रिमोट विलेज है पूजा, और वहां पे ये पूरा प्लेन क्रैश हुआ था। हालांकि जो अच्छी बात है वो ये, राहत की बात ये है कि जो पायलट हैं वो सेफली इजेक्ट हो गए थे पहले ही, और इसलिए वो घायल जरूर हुए हैं लेकिन खतरे से बाहर है दोनों की हालत। और अभी कुछ देर पहले ही जो आर्मी का हेलीकॉप्टर है वो वहां पे उन्हें लेने के लिए पहुंच गया है और माना जा रहा है कि जल्दी उन्हें एयरलिफ्ट करके ग्वालियर में जो हॉस्पिटल है वहां ले जाया जाएगा। और फिलहाल जो है इस पर अभी और बहुत ज्यादा जानकारी मिल नहीं पाई है कि आखिरकार वजह क्या रही थी, लेकिन जो सबसे राहत की बात यह है कि दोनों पायलट जो है वो सेफली इजेक्ट हो गए थे और फिलहाल वो इंजर्ड जरूर है लेकिन उनकी हालत खतरे से बाहर है।
So looks like possibly was flying the Mirage 2000. And Ravi, stay on with me because for the viewer who may not realize this, remember that it is also about the presence of mind of the fighter pilot to not just, of course, save their own lives possibly, but to ensure residential areas are not hit. And when you're flying a fighter aircraft, it's about seconds, sometimes milliseconds of a decision to take. Ravish, तो हमें थोड़ा ये एरिया बताइए। मैं देख सकती हूँ कि थोड़ा मैदान दिख रहा है, ग्राउंड दिख रहा है. And stay on with me because Shivani Sharma is also joining me on this. Shivani, tell us more. So were there one or two pilots, pilot and a co-pilot in this fighter jet?
Pooja, since this was a trainer fighter aircraft, so there were two pilots. One was the trainer and the other one was the trainee pilot. And what we've learned through the sources in the initial inquiry is that there was a technical snag, the technical malfunction that is the reason of this particular crash. And both the pilots have ejected safely. They are being evacuated for further medications. And the court of inquiry, as a standard operating procedure, has already been ordered to know the exact cause of this particular crash. This was a Mirage 2000 fighter aircraft that has been very crucial in a number of operations of the Indian Air Force.
Okay, Shivani and Ravish Pal Singh for the details on this. Thankfully, both the pilots are safe, and also their presence of mind ensuring that residents on the ground also were not affected because of this. Of course, investigation will then prove what exactly happened in this case.